Yeah.
Let us continue to talk about school and teaching in Kenya.
Yeah.
So I think my students are very much interested, how are your lessons or the way of teaching? How are you learning? How are the teachers teaching?
Yeah. Okay, in Kenya, I can say that we have different types of the steps that are being followed. Okay, the first one is that a teacher has to come to in a classroom,
Yeah.
and he will teach. He will teach the whole students.
Yeah.
After teaching, he'll make sure that he's going to give us that we have to kind of do an exercise to test if we've understood what the teacher was teaching about.
Yeah.
So okay, we'll do that exercise. Everybody, you have to do it. It's an individual work.
Yeah.
You do it by yourself.
Yes.
So everyone has to get busy and do and see if you can get to the concept that the teacher was giving out. So
Yeah.
okay, we'll do that. After doing that, but by the time we are doing that, the teacher will be walking around,
Yes.
checking. So I can call that
Checking what?
controlling. Checking the work checking if you are doing the right thing.
Okay.
So he will just walk around and see each and every student's work.
Yes.
So I can call that is controlling the classroom.
Yeah.
So after controlling, he'll see the number of students who have got that concept.
Yeah.
Okay, if the number is low,
Yeah.
he'll kind of have to repeat again. He'll repeat the same thing that he was teaching.
Okay.
So he's not allowed to go forward, to go ahead, if the students have not understood.
Yes.
So I can say that in Kenya, we have 4 types of steps to be followed by a teacher when during his teaching.
4 types?
4 types.
Which 4 now?
On first
is teaching.
is teaching.
Yeah.
Second is applying.
Oh, applying. Yeah. Okay.
Third is controlling the class.
Controlling. Yes.
And then the 4th one is repetition.
Ah, so repetition.
Yeah,
Okay,
so
I
can
get
call
you.
them 4.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the way.
So that is the way the normal teaching is going.
Yeah, that's the way the normal teaching is going in Kenya.
Is there something else what you did not mention up to now?
No, that's the way it should be. Yeah.
What about group work,
Okay,
which
we have
is
a
very
group work.
famous in Germany?
Okay, I can say that we have a group work in Kenya, but our group work it's kind of different with that one of yours, because in our group work,
Exactly.
okay, in our group work we have to do this. First, we be in classroom. First of all, we have to be in kind of a classroom.
What is the difference, group work?
Okay, in Kenya, we have to first of all, before we go to that our various group work.
Yeah.
Okay, we first of all have to be in a classroom.
Yes.
And we have to be taught by the same teacher. And after being taught,
Yeah.
he's going to give an exercise out.
Okay.
And the same exercise. After
Yeah.
giving out this exercise, then you go to your various groups.
Yeah.
After going to this
So
our various
group
groups,
work means you are just applying your
the
knowledge,
same way that we've
but
been
the
taught.
teaching remains
Yes, this,
with the teacher.
Yeah, the
Is that
teacher.
correct?
Yeah, that's the correct
The
thing.
teaching remains with the teacher.
And you cannot be given something that you've already not done. You
Okay.
have to be given, and if you go to that our group work, you just have to be given what you've already been taught by the teacher.
Okay.
That's the thing. That's the way we control our group work.
Voila, I ask you some questions concerning your lessons in school. What is the main aim, the main goal of each and every lesson the teachers are giving you?
Okay, the main goal of each and every lesson
Yeah.
that the teacher gives in a class is that we should be able to get what the teacher is teaching and apply them in future.
Yeah. Can we say it to give you knowledge?
Yeah, to give us knowledge.
Yeah, information, knowledge,
knowledge,
and that you are able to apply, them in real life.
In real life, that's the real thing. So,
Okay. So, number 2, where is the knowledge coming from? What is the main source?
okay, the main source is the teacher.
The teacher.
The teacher is the main source.
Yes.
Yeah.
And what I see is he is taking his knowledge mostly from
The book.
the book.
And
He's very near to the book. Is that correct?
Yeah, Yeah, that's
Very near.
very near to the bush.
So everybody has his book
Yeah,
and can always follow up what he is teaching.
that's
Correct,
That's true.
yeah.
Yeah, that's correct.
So that is the main source.
Yeah,
But there's no other, nothing else.
yeah, there's nothing else.
Okay.
The teacher is the main source.
Main source. So, and what is the main store? Where do you store your knowledge?
Okay, we store them first. We store them in a book.
Yeah,
Okay. Second, we store them in our knowledge.
yeah.
Yeah, it's a book and knowledge.
In your
That's-
brain.
In our brain. Yeah.
Yes.
In our brain. That's the
Okay.
yeah.
And in your exercise
In our
books.
exercise books. Yeah.
Yeah. I think you have different exercise books.
Yeah. We have
Classwork books,
revision book.
revision book.
Yeah. We have all. Okay. As for me, I'm doing 8 subjects when I'm in high school.
Yes.
So I have to have all these 6 exercise books
Yeah.
and maybe some extra for my own revision.
Okay. For your own revision. Okay. So you store your knowledge in your brain,
And in our exercise.
in your exercise books, and on top in your books because you have to buy them
Yeah.
and you are keeping them.
We have to keep them.
Is it correct?
Yeah. We have to keep
Okay. So